Today's class I am going to discuss about BCD subtraction using tens complement. So previous video we discussed BCD subtraction using nines complement and BCD addition. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on to the session. So before solving the problem, first I read the steps. So what are the steps need to solve the problem? So let me consider A and B. So A and B, just I subtract these two numbers. So this B is called as subtrahend. So A is called as minuend. So first step, obtain tens complement of subtrahend. So subtrahend in the sense it's B value. So first you take tens complement of B, then add minuend to the tens complement of subtrahend. So in this step you just add A plus tens complement of B. So A plus tens complement of B. Then third step, if any carry produced, just ignore the carry. If carry is 1, then the answer is positive number. Then final step, if carry equal to 0, then the answer is negative. So you take tens complement to get the answer. So these four steps is very important to solve the BCD subtraction using tens complement. Now we solve the problem. So first problem, 28 base 10 minus 54 base 10. So base 10 represent as a decimal number. So 28 minus 54, the result is 26. So minus 26 is the result. So first step, obtain tens complement of B. So here B is 54, A is 28. So first step, obtain tens complement of B. So 99 minus 54, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 5, 4. So 45. So it's a 9's complement. If you need to tens complement in the sense, the sum is add with 1. So now the result is 46. So 46 is the tens complement of B. Now B value is 46. Then come to second step, add the minuend to the tens complement of subtrahend. So A plus tens complement of B. So A value is 28. First I write the binary number for 28. 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. Then tens complement of B is 46. I just write the binary number for 46. 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Then just you add these two numbers, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 1, then 1, here 0. So after addition you cannot get the carry. If carry equal to 0, if carry equal to 0, then the answer is negative. So carry equal to 0, then the answer is negative. If the answer is negative in the sense, you just take tens complement to get the answer. So here you just take tens complement of this value. Before that you find both the 4-bit values are valid BCD or invalid BCD. So here this 4-bit value is invalid BCD. If you need to convert the valid BCD number, you just add 6 here. 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, triple 1, sum 1, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 0. This carry propagate to next bit, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now both the 4-bit values are valid BCD number. So next apply this step, take tens complement to get the answer. So here first you take the 9's complement. So 99. 0 triple 1 0 1 0 0. Subtract these two number, 1 minus 0 0 0 0 minus 1, there is no possibility, just you take borrow from nearest bit. So 10 10 minus 1 1 0 0. So 0 minus 1, there is no possibility to subtract. So you get the borrow from nearest bit. So 1 10. So 10 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, then 0. So it's a 9's complement. 10's complement in the sense you just add 6, sorry here 1. So 1 minus 0, 1. So it's a 9's complement. So 10's complement means you just add 1 in LSB. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. So this carry propagate to next bit. 1 plus 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. The answer is 2, 6. So it's a solution for first problem. Then come to the second problem. 54 base 10 minus 22 base 10. So 54 minus 22. So the result is 2, 3. 32 is the answer. So first you take 10's complement of 22. So 99, 22, 77. So it's a 9's complement plus 1, 78. So it's a 10's complement of B. So 10's complement of B. Then second step, add A to the 10's complement of B. So A value is 54. We just write here binary number 0101, then 40100. So B value is 10's complement of B value is 78, 0111, 100. Add these two number 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 0, sum 1, carry value 1, here 1. So here carry value is 0, but this value, these two 4-bit values are greater than 9. So carry equal to 0. These 4-bit values are greater than 9. It's an invalid BCD number. First you convert this number into valid BCD number. So 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1. So 1 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry value 1. If carry value equal to 1, just discard the carry, then the result is positive number 32. So here subtracting these two decimal number, the result is 32. So after applying the BCD subtraction using 10's complement, we will get the same answer. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.